Do you want to make animations like these? These are from my latest video, and I got few tutorial requests. So let's get into it. These tutorials are pretty fast, so if you need, just slow down or stop the video. We start with creating a Fusion composition and opening it in Fusion. For this animation, we will need these medians. First, we create a background node with these settings. After that, we take a background node with alpha setting to 0, connect it to grid node with these settings. To the grid node, we connect rectangle with soft edge setting. Next, we take the box picture and using color corrector node, adjust the color. Now we copy the media in, color corrector and merge node and adjust the position. Now we create the texts and using corner position node, we make it look real. Then we take the dollar icon and connect it to transform node. Make the position keyframes like this. Blind, select all the points and click this icon to make a loop. Then we take 2 more dollar icons and put it in the position when the original dollar arrives, so it looks like the dollar stays in the box. We use blend setting in merge node. To the dollar merge node, connect polygon with lines like these so it looks like it comes out of the box. Copy the polygon and connect it to the 2 other merge nodes with dollar icons. Last step is connecting the moving background to time stretcher node and adjust its length like this. After that, just adjust blend in the merge node. We will start of creating Fusion composition and opening it in Fusion. First, we create a background node with these settings. We connect it to merge node and create a background with white color and another background with black color and connect it to another merge node. To the white background, we connect rectangle with these settings. Then we copy the rectangle, connect it to the black background and set it to solid. Now to make this opening look, we will open spline and create this curve by selecting all the point, click S on keyboard and adjusting the curve with the white lines to achieve this look. This was the hardest part. Next, we create this white line by creating this polygon with these settings. Connect it to background with gray color and connect it to another merge node. In the middle of the line, we create a circle the same color using ellipse node and background node connecting to another merge. In the circle, just put this palm image and adjust its size. Then write this text, put it the top part, and connect to the merge. After that, you make another text node and write the days. Connect rectangle with these setting to it. In the text, open layout part and make you keyframes to X position like this. To make the movement smoother, go to spline, select all the pointer and adjust it like this. Next, add this text and make the box using rectangle with these settings connected to background node with white color connected to marge node. Then we make the check mark using polygon with these settings connected to background with light green color connected to merge. Last thing is we connect rectangle node to merge 3 to 10 and keyframe the movement of the rain with the height of the rectangle. Now just put it in the clip, adjusting size, zoom, and yaw.